Go.
Grilled cheeseburger.
That is the worst Homer Simpson I've heard in my life.
Grilled cheeseburger.
Yeah, he's going to try a Sonic grilled cheeseburger. He's not being paid to promote this product or endorse it or anything like that.
Alright, let's get a taste.
Hopefully
Grilled
it's,
cheeseburger.
well, you got it from Boonville, so hopefully it's good. Do you want to be alone with it?
I'm thinking about it. Grilled cheeseburger, I'm going to give it 10. Burgers, meat's done. All good.
That's a surprise.
You
better hope you know who doesn't walk in on you being alone with that sandwich.
Grilled cheeseburger. Give it 10. The gremlin said, well, gremlin bitch.
Oh, Lord.
She turned to Vega.
Even though she claims she didn't, but she kind of, you know.
Claims everybody calls her hot mama and ugly mama. I know this is my channel. Reno Vega, Reno Bryant, Reno Caprock, docthemetalfreak, Wilkins Fitness, Rebel Rocker, Hot Fresh Reviews. We'll see you next time, guys. Peace.
Oh, Lord, I'm going to be sick. Are you done? Are you sure? I'm going to cut it off. You're done.
Huh?
Okay. All right, okay, he's serious. Okay. But he wasn't done.
I got this good burger and the gremlin's over there going.
Can I stop now? Okay.